Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas, or welcome back to Vlogmas. So as you can see, my hair is finally finished. I finished it yesterday at night. And now I have a doctor's appointment. So I could be using the lift, but I don't want to use the lift. It's not far. So I have a doctor's appointment and yeah. Let's go and see. I hope there's not a lot going on because I'm too tired. So you can see here's where I am. There's not much because mostly there's a line until here. But today there's no line, so I think it's my lucky day today. So, and they said I'm not supposed to book an appointment, so here's where I am. I hope it's not going to take too long when I'm inside. But yeah, so I have to go here and then we have to go somewhere else with my husband. My husband is the one who brought me here. I wanted to drive, but he wanted to bring me here, so I said, okay. So guys, I'm going to go off in a while because yeah, then I go inside, get myself registered, and then I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Guys, I'm done. The whole process didn't take more than 20 minutes. So yeah. I'm just heading back downstairs to go. My husband and I have to go and check for a coffee machine. That's what we're getting ourselves for Christmas this year. There's somebody coming. Morgan. Yeah, as I was saying, that's what my husband and I are getting ourselves for Christmas, a coffee machine. And that's where we're going now to Media Markt. We go and get the coffee machine. And then I have still to go to the shops to get our weekly groceries. And yeah, it's still a lot of stuff to do, but yup. So off we go. We can see we got a parking spot. So let's go. Ja. Wow. Ja, weil es war nicht so viel los drinnen hier. Boah, es ist heiß da drinnen. Bitte?
Du hast sogar die Punkte gekriegt.
Ja, aber nur die... So we're at Media Markt now, we're just looking at the different categories, but I think this is the one we're going for more, but I don't want it in this color, I want it in black. There's a lot of options. Look out, so I mean, there's a lot of machines to look at. So it's also good, but it's for the place that we want it, it's a bit too big. There I am. Fast już nur schauen, danke. Oh, looks funny. Ja, eigentlich ist nur das da war, aber wenn dann nicht so in weiß oder so, das ist zu weiß. Oder Silber, also mehr dann schwarz. Welcher das da?
Das ist aber kein Vollautomat, gell?
Kein Vollautomat.
Nein, da müssen Sie praktisch hier einspannen, den Kaffee einfüllen.
Aha.
Dann müssen Sie es hier einspannen. Da braucht man immer 2 Hände fest zudrehen. und dann macht man Kaffee.
Ah,
Das
okay.
ist nicht so komfortabel wie ein Vollautomat. Gell? Vollautomat ist natürlich auf Knopfdruck.
Genau, und dann ist alles, wird alles gemacht.
Das ist halt komfortabler.
Ja.
Das ist halt der Unterschied, der feine
Ja.
Unterschied.
Ja.
Hast du irgendwas gesehen?
Ist überall, aber
Und dann gibt es noch den großen Unterschied pflegeleicht oder pflegeintensiv. Weil pflegeleicht sind Maschinen, die ein selbstreinigendes System haben. So wie es der Jura hat, wie es der WMF hat, wie es der Grups hat.
Das ist der Preisunterschied. Ne?
Nein, es ist kein Preisunterschied, weil das ist eine Herstellergeschichte. Ich zeige Ihnen einmal so ein Produkt. Schaut, wie kann man da aus?
ja, da muss man dann so rundherum gehen, glaube ich. Aha.
Das ist der Unterschied, ob Sie so einen Teil drinnen haben.
Aha.
Das ist wie die Industriemaschinen, alles in Metall. Das presst mit 30 Kilo, der Kaffee ist maximal von der Qualität. Und diesen Teil braucht man nicht herausnehmen zum Reinigen. Da habe ich nach 350 Kaffee zeigt die Maschine Reinigung, da gibt man Tab rein und in einer Viertelstunde ist die Brühkammer, der Kopf und die Leitungen entfettet vom Bohnenfett. Und diese Maschinen gibt es ab 400 €, je nachdem, was ich halt will. Aber ist halt der Kaffee sehr gut, weil die Brühgruppe nicht in Kunststoff ist, weil es halt maximal gepresst ist. Ja.
So, we finally got the longy one we got. I'm going to show it to you. Finally got the machine. Now I'm bei Hofer, Aldi, for the weekly shopping. Then go home. Oh, see, I forgot some bottles. I have to get the bottles. I need to get into the bottle machine thingy. I have about 14 bottles. I forgot them. Don't have to get them. So let's get the bottles. And then, yeah. Die Flaschen habe ich vergessen. So here they are. They're here and then there's more here. So let's go. Yeah. We're ready to get the ambulance. So let's get the bottles off and then we go inside and see stuff and then we go home. I'm tired. Oh, no. Here I am. Going And the last one is 17. So for 17 bottles we got $3.92 and one. So now we're going to hurry. I hope it's not full inside. Stay there. So, I hope it's not full. I don't have the energy to socialize today. guys, it has been a long and hectic day. So now I'm just done with the offer stuff. Now I'm just going home, and then I have still an hour and 20 minutes to spare, so that's why I'm going home direct instead of driving to get the kids first. So we're just going home, and then I eat something. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten anything. How do you like my hair, by the way? I love my hair. I hadn't eaten anything, and now I can go home, get something to eat, and then go get the... So guys, this is an hour later after we got home. Then my husband and I took some breakfast because we left home quite early. And now I have to go and get the kids from school and kindergarten. The sun, sun is shining, and it is actually warm today. It's supposed to be winter. It's actually warm today and sunny. In the morning it was so foggy you couldn't see anything, but now it's sunny and warm, and yeah, I think I'm even dressed way too warm, but not, yeah. So everything went okay. The appointment went quite well. As I told you before, it was not full. That's the advantage of going early. So I didn't even wait 10 minutes. I was there, I registered, and then within 5 minutes I was called in. So that was pretty cool. And yeah, the results, my doctor is getting the results tomorrow. And then I can go online and check what the internist, what is internist called in English? I don't know. I can also go online and check what the internist said about the checkup, and then yeah, then I have to go to my family doctor and für eine Besprechung to talk about the results. And yeah, so the coffee machine had to put it somewhere where the kids cannot see, because the kids think that Santa is going to bring us, my husband and I, the coffee machine. And now they keep telling us, ja, wenn du und Papa nicht brav seid, dann kriegt ihr keine Kaffeemaschine. So that means when you and Papa are not nice, then you're not getting the coffee machine. Little did they know, we ourselves are the Santa Claus, and even their presents, we ourselves are the Santa Clauses. We are the ones who get everything, but yeah, just let them believe what they want to believe. But like I think I told you this previously, my daughter she already knows that these things are not real. For example, Easter Bunny. Who is Easter Bunny? She already knows Easter Bunny is not real. But for Santa, she's still, I think she also knows, but she's not sure if it's really that way. But yeah, we let them believe. Look at how the sun is. We let them believe what they want to believe, as long as they want to believe for that, whatever. But then yeah, so yeah. And funny thing is, for my son and my daughter's Christmas presents, I'm supposed to order them today, and I hope they come on time. Fingers crossed, everything crossed that they come on time. But I'm sure they're going to come. I'm going to pay for the express delivery, so they're going to be here in 2 days, so that's not a problem. And yeah, so that's it for today's vlog. And yeah, nimejikakamua na Vlogmas. I cannot wait for the break. I don't know if I'm going to start after Vlogmas, if I'm going to start in January vlogging again, or first in February. I'm not sure, but all I'm sure of is after Vlogmas I am taking time to regenerate and to get my ish together. So yeah, that said, that's going to be it for today's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I have to look for a parking spot. This is there's a construction. Yeah, found one. There's a construction site going on, and they blocked half of the parking spots, which gets on my nerves sometimes. But yeah, there's a car coming there, a school taxi. So that's the school. It's a taxi, but they use it as this school bus. So I found a parking spot. Good yo. So as I was saying, there's a construction going on, and they took half of the parking spots, which now in the afternoon, picking up the kids, it's not a hassle. But in the morning, when you have to drop the kids off to school and kindergarten, it's really a hassle to find a parking spot. For my daughter, it's easy because they have Elton Parkplatz where they have enough parking spots. But here by my son's school, for my son's kindergarten, they have limited parking spots, especially in the morning, and that is really a hassle, a struggle. The sun is, ooh, I think I have a highlighter here. See, nah, no makeup, but I think I put it here. So guys, I think that's going to be it for today's vlog. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on our next vlog. Bye.